Assalamu alaikum. So the lesson today is about quadratic equations. So we are going to learn today how to solve quadratic equations using quadratic formula. And by the way, my student love this quadratic formula. I don't know. So most of the method we learn, so this is the most loved method. And you will see why it's easy and is by the way, is a short lesson. All right, so let's start. So we are going to solve using quadratic formula method. All right, so to solve ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 using quadratic formula. So first find the discriminant. So b squared minus 4ac. Then from the discriminant you decide. So if the discriminant is less than 0, right away just say no solution. So you don't have to do anything, no real solution. If the discriminant is equal to 0, so we have one solution. So just need to write x equal minus b over 2a. That's it. You take this b divided by 2a and you get the opposite sign. So your solution will be only one answer minus b over 2a. And if d, which is discriminant, is positive, then you have two distinct solutions. So the first solution will be minus b minus square root of the discriminant over twice a, and the second will be minus b plus square root of the discriminant over twice a. So your solution will be the following: minus b minus square root of the discriminant over 2a minus b plus square root of the discriminant over 2a. So that's the main concept and the main idea. That's all. So let me do some example. So let's apply what's the idea. So if you want to solve, for example, solve for 4x squared minus 7x plus 8 equal 0. So first let me find my discriminant. So minus 7 squared minus 4 times 4 times 8. So it's going to be 49 minus 128, which is minus 79, less than 0. Discriminant is negative, so it's less than 0. So there's no real solution. So my set of solution is empty. The second example, so suppose I have 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 equal 0. So here my discriminant is minus 12 squared minus 4 times 9, which is 144 minus 144. This is 0. So I have one solution. My solution is x equal, you see, a minus b over twice a. So that's the only solution. So how I get it? So it's going to be minus b is minus 12. So I put minus 12 over 2 times a, which is 4. So which will be 12 over 8, and this is divided by 4, so it's going to be 3 half. So my solution here will be 3 half. Last example. So suppose I have to solve for 5x squared plus 9x plus 2 equal 0. Right, let's make it minus. Yeah, the same thing. So my discriminant is minus 9 squared minus 4 times 5 times 2, which is 81 minus 40. So it's going to be 41. So greater than 0. When it's greater than 0, so I'm going to use the two-type solution. So we have x equal minus b minus square root of the discriminant over twice a. And we have x equal minus b plus square root of the discriminant over 2a. So I know what is my b, I know what is my a, I know what is my discriminant. I just need to substitute. So minus 9 minus square root of 41 over twice 5. Or the same thing here is minus 9 plus square root of 41 over twice 5. So my final solution will be 9 minus square root of 41 over 10, or it's going to be 9 plus square root of 41 over 10. So those will be my solution for that equations. As you see, it's very short, and this is why my students love this method, and even they try to forget the other method. All right, thank you for watching the video, and I hope you understand the idea behind the lesson today. So please, if you have any comment about the way I teach, please do so. It will help me improve my way of teaching. And thank you very much to watch the video. And Assalamu alaikum.